This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts prismatic. We're going to dive into the exciting world of creating visually stunning, multifaceted donuts that truly sparkle. This isn't just about baking. It's about artistry and making treats that are as beautiful to look at as they are delicious to eat. Get ready to learn some fantastic techniques to elevate your donut game and impress everyone with your dazzling creations. Let's get started on this colorful journey. First, let's focus on crafting that essential iridescent glaze. You'll want to start with a basic powdered sugar glaze, ensuring it's smooth and free of lumps. To achieve the prismatic effect, carefully mix in about 1/4 teaspoon of edible luster dust. This provides the beautiful shimmer. Then, introduce a few drops of high-quality gel food coloring to create vibrant, deep hues that will truly pop. This foundational step is crucial for a dazzling finish. Now for the fun part, layering and swirling to create that captivating prismatic look. After your first glaze sets slightly, dip your donuts into a second, contrasting colored glaze, allowing some of the first color to show through. Immediately, use a toothpick or a small skewer to gently swirl the colors together, creating beautiful, organic patterns. For an extra dimension, consider applying a very thin, clear glaze over the top for added depth and a brilliant shine. This technique truly brings the magic. To complete your prismatic masterpieces, it's all about the finishing touches. While your final glaze layer is still wet, generously sprinkle edible glitter or very fine sugar crystals over the donuts. This adds an extra layer of sparkle and texture. Allow your beautifully decorated donuts to set completely on a cooling rack for at least 30 minutes to ensure the glazes harden perfectly. Finally, arrange your stunning prismatic donuts on a decorative platter to showcase their incredible visual appeal. Enjoy your dazzling creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.